Crafty friends, it's Jenny from Origami Tree, bringing you free crafty fun all year round. And today we'll be learning how to make origami Harry Potter inspired ties. But before we jump into this video, if you're new to this channel, be sure you hit subscribe and also turn on notifications to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. I post a new one every single week. Would love for you to join me. And also, leave your comments below letting me know who your favorite Harry Potter character is. Mine is definitely Hermione. I'm also obsessed with Emma Watson, so that helps a lot too. And yeah, without further ado, let's jump right in. To make the Harry Potter tie, you're going to need a square sheet of paper and also a pen. This is just a white gel pen by Sakura. First, you want to take your square sheet of paper and you're going to flip it around with the color side facing down towards the table. And we're going to fold the entire thing in half to create a triangle. Now let's unfold. And then align this side over here on the right to that crease that you just created. So we're going to fold it upwards, align it to that crease, and create a nice point on the right side. Rotate, and repeat the same thing on this side. Flip the whole thing around. And now let's take this tip and align it where these 2 points intersect. So we're going to go straight up and crease it in. Rotate. Now you're going to take this tip up here and you're going to fold it up, not all the way to the top, but just slightly below it. And then crease it in. Then right at that point, you're going to fold up. Flip the entire thing around, and now align this side to the horizontal center line. So you're going to fold up, and as you fold up, you're going to notice that over here, it's not going to allow you to kind of fold all the way, so you're just going to aim it up like that and flatten it. Rotate, and repeat the same thing on this side. So you're going to fold this side to the horizontal line, so you're going to fold straight up. And then once you get to this side over here, you're just gonna squish it down. Flip the entire thing around, and then draw on your stripes. And once the ink is all dried, your Harry Potter ties are complete. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed making those Harry Potter inspired ties. If you'd like to see more crafty fun videos like this one, be sure you hit subscribe. Also turn on notifications to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when I post them. And I post a new one every single week, so there's really going to be something for everyone. As always, I really appreciate all of your support, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!